Welcome back, everybody. It's Rashawn from BoostDistrict Superchargers. We're going to the racetrack today. We're taking 3 cars with us. It's going to be a little crazy day, so let's just get a little summary of what we're doing here. We're taking our Chevy SS sedan. It went 9.3 at 153 in the spring with Felicia, our professional race car driver, driving it. We didn't make a single change to it, just updated the tune just a little bit and put gas. We put E85 in it. We're gonna see if I can replicate that time. I'm not a professional race car driver, I'm a noob. I'm just gonna see if I can replicate that time and see where we're at. Blackwing. We're taking our CT5V Blackwing to it. We made a little change on just the tire, but everything else stays the same. We put a Mickey Thompson ET Street R on it instead of the ET Street SS, so it hooks better. When we went a couple months ago in the 100-degree weather, it went 1078 at the 133. We're gonna just try to see if we can go a little quicker. I'm hoping for 10.5s or 10.6. We'll see where we're at. That's our stage 2 kit that you get out of the box with the tuning in it. So exact same kit you're gonna receive, so we're not changing anything to it. Lastly, we're taking our C8 Corvette. This one has our built motor, has a Dodson Stage 2 clutch, fuel system, and a little bit more, actually the same boost level. So 10 pounds of boost. It made 820 in our dyno. We're just gonna try to see if we can shake it down a little bit. It is gonna be the combo that we're gonna be releasing soon. We just wanna make sure that the transmission shifts, everything's happy, temps are good, and no leaks. We'll see how it launches, and we'll see how it goes through the gears. We're gonna come back. We're gonna go back to the track in the next couple weeks to do a full rep after we review all the data on it and send it to the tuner. Let's get right to it. Work smart, not hard. We definitely should put that cut there. Work hard, not smart.
I think you almost flipped the thing over.
That was wild. I did not expect that to wheelie, and I don't even have anything to say right now. It's pretty cool. It was nice. It was fast. It definitely put my helmet to the headrest, and it startled me. I didn't expect it, but at least now we have some launching data and we can adjust from it. Pretty damn cool.
Yeah, I don't think anyone expected that.
I don't think so.
Well, from one car to the next. Here's Mama and Baby Boost.
That was solid. What did we run?
Did a 937 at 151.
Consistent. That's pretty much what we ran last time when we came in here in February. Like we ran 937 at 153.
Yeah, something like
mile
that.
an hour a little better last time, but hey, I'll take it.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Pretty good for being warmer.
We didn't touch the car, so at least the noob driver is keeping up with the professionals, right?
Yeah.
So I'll take it. Let's go to the next one. We're in Texas Motor Speedway in TJ Bailey's private rental. We have the C8. We've made a few passes already. We have our Blackwing with the Stage 2 package. And then we have our 1200 horsepower Chevy SS sedan. And we have Daniel's 2650 5.3 truck with a head scam on it. made a couple passes already on the C8. Promising results. We're gonna share it to you in the next couple of footages. With that being said, let's jump right on it. So we're piloting all three cars today. It's our Blackwing. Let's go give it a rip and hope for the best. Let's get rolling. Well, dang, okay, we picked up a couple tenths. 1064 to 134, went 1.66 to the 60 foot. Pretty cool. All right, we picked up a couple tenths. I'm happy with that. That's good. So we're back in the SS. It is gonna be our second pass for the day. First pass, we ran a 947 at 149, barely launching the car. We launched it in third gear. So, sorry, second gear. We're gonna go try again and launch harder in second gear so we can leave harder. And let's see if we can get our personal best today. Let's roll. Guys, we're back in the shop. What did you guys think of today's video? I thought the C8 was pretty surprising. It was really fast. We learned a lot on what to do for the next outing when we actually give it full rips. The Blackwing got our personal best. That was pretty cool. And the SS, I am personally very happy on how I replicated the session from the spring. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We're running a lot of Black Friday deals on our website, so please look down below. We have a lot of discount codes and sale promotions for the full week and maybe for the end month. Supercharger kits for the C8s. We're doing $2,000 off. If you do a deposit with a promo code on the bottom, you are getting the axles for free, which is $2,000. So take advantage of that. Also, same thing with the trucks. We have a lot of promotions for that, and also LSA and 2650 kits. So go to the website, BoostDistrict.com. And we'll talk more soon. Subscribe, like, and we'll talk more soon. Thank you so much. Take care. Happy Thanksgiving.